Guitar is a very useful instrument in terms of the distinction between melody, harmony and rhythm, where you can demonstrate all of those three individually and together, which we'll look at again later on through the series. For now, we need to concern ourselves with how we make the basic sound, and the basic sound is made by taking one finger of our right hand and plucking a string like so. The string oscillates and it creates a sound which is amplified by the body and delivered through the sound hole. If you have an electroacoustic like this one is, you can plug in a lead and plug it into an amplifier and amplify it even further. What we also know is that we use the fingers of our left hand and we position them behind the frets on various strings in a single manner to play single notes, or collectively to play chords. And what we do with our right hand in conjunction with the position of our fingers of the left hand behind the different frets on different strings, we can create a rhythm. That essentially is how the sound is made on the guitar. One of the things we have to be careful of is what we call playing clean notes. And to play a clean note, we need to make sure that our fingers on the fretboard, on the neck, are positioned at a good distance in between the frets. Now, when we are playing more than one string as a chord, sometimes the distance in between the fret is limited, so our finger does not lie directly in the middle. However, the aim is to apply the finger directly in between the frets behind the particular number fret that we want to make the note from, because then everything will be clean without any wrong sounding sounds. Clean.